The boundary of the world of sense is a subjective barrier. So long as the senses take notice, the eye of imagination is deflected from the truth. We do not get far unless we let go. This lady let go with immediate and miraculous results. Thank you for the golden key. It has released my brother from the hospital from pain and probable death, for he was facing a fourth major operation with little hope of recovery. I was very concerned and attempting to use what I had learned about my imagination. I first asked myself what my brother truly desired. Very, very good first starting point. What does my brother desire? Let me go in the closet, shut my door, and let me ask, because when you do that, you're already plugged right back into all that is God, I am. She went back in, closed the door, shut off her senses, and asked, what is it my brother desires? You can know when you do this because you're going to where all of it is, all consciousness. I first asked myself what my brother truly desired. Does he want to continue in this body, or does he desire to be free of it? The question revolved itself over and over in my mind, and suddenly I felt that he would like to continue remodeling his kitchen, which he had been contemplating before his confinement in the hospital. I knew my question had been answered, so I began to imagine from that point. Attempting to see my brother in the busy activity of remodeling, I suddenly found myself gripping the back of a kitchen chair I had used many times when something happened. Then suddenly I found myself standing beside my brother's bed in the hospital. This was the last place I would have wanted to be, physically or mentally, but there I was, and my brother's hand reached up and clasped my hand tightly as I heard him say, "I knew you would come, Joe." It was a well hand I clasped, strong and sure. And the joy that filled and spilled over in my voice as I heard myself say, "It's all better now. You know it." My brother didn't answer, but I distinctly heard a voice say to me, "Remember this moment." I seemed to awake, then back in my own home. This took place the night after he had entered the hospital. The following day, his wife telephoned me saying, "It's unbelievable. The doctor can't account for it, Joe, but no operation is necessary. He's so improved that they have agreed to release him tomorrow." The following Monday, my brother went back to his work and has been perfectly well since that day. J.S. Profound. Anybody have a brother or sister? Does anybody have a brother or sister? Wouldn't you want to imagine lovingly for them? Or would you rather imagine reflectively for them? Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I shouldn't even be voicing that. You want to imagine lovingly, obviously, for them. It is as simple as it just sounded in that testimonial. Not facts, but dreams of fancy shape our lives. She needed no compass to find her brother, nor tools to operate, only the eye of imagination. In the world of sense, we see what we have to see. In the world of imagination, we want what we want to see. We see what we want to see. Let me repeat the sentence. In the world of sense, we see what we have to see. In the world of imagination, we see what we want to see. And seeing it, we create it for the world of sense to see. The world of imagination, we see what we want to see. And in so doing, we create what the world of sense wants to see. We see the outer world automatically. Seeing what we want to see demands voluntary and conscious imaginative effort. Our future is our own imaginal activity in creative march. Common sense assures us that we are living in a solid and sensible world, but this so seemingly solid world is, in reality, imaginal through and through. You want to find out how fast you can know if it's imaginal through and through? Just close these. Right now, it's all imagination. Every last bit of it in detail is imagined by you, because once you open these, you fill in the space from your imagination. Hence, the constant reminder, me, myself, and I create everything I see. Anything you're pointing at is from you. The constant reminder. Wonderful reminder.